Hello children, today we'll be doing certain programs on strings. The first question which we are going to discuss is write a program to enter a line of text ending with a space and terminating with a full stop. Display the frequency of the word the in the string. The can be in small letters or capital letters. However, the word the should not be a part of another word of the string. For example, if we take the input as the black cat ate the rat in the house, the output should be 3. The frequency of the token the in the string given, the black cat ate the rat in the house is 3. So the output should be 3. Let us start the program. Let us see how we are going to do the solution. First, we are going to import the java.util package since we will be using the scanner class for inputting the string. Java.util.asterisk. Then we are going to write the class name as class frequency, FREQ I have taken. Then public static void main string args. Then we are going to declare a scanner class object sc equals to new scanner system.in. Next, we are going to declare a string type variable string str. Now I am writing SOPLN. Please write the complete thing system.out.println. Enter a line of text. Semicolon. While true, we are considering in the beginning the condition is true. Str equals to sc dot next. See, we are using the next function so that one word is taken and stored inside the variable str. We are not using next line here. Next line will take the complete line from the user. Here next will take one token. Next statement is if str dot equals. We are comparing it with capital the or str dot equals small the. In double quotes we have to write the string. We are using the equals function of the string. If it is so, then counter is to be incremented by 1. So we will be initializing the counter to 0. int c equals to 0. Again we are going to give another if statement if str dot equals. If it is a full stop, we are going to give it in double quotes. That means we have come to the end of the string. We have to break from the while loop. If it has not come to a full stop, we'll again go to the while loop. While true, str equals to sc dot next. That means the next token will be read and stored in str. After we break from the while loop, we come out of the while loop, we'll be printing frequency of small the oblique capital the. This is to be written in quotes, single quotes. Is equal to plus c. C is going to be printed. This is the end of main and end of the class. So look at this program again. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Then c is initialized to 0, the counter. Then the string type variable str is being initialized. We are entering a line of text. While true, we can use next line also. I am explaining it again. We can use next line also, but here we are using the next function so that one word is taken and stored in the variable str, and that word is compared with the capital the and small the str dot equals using the equals function. If it is equal, then c will be incremented by 1. See it again. While true, str equals to sc dot next. Again it is compared with capital the or small the, and c is incremented by 1. See, we are not using next line, we are using next here, so that whenever we enter the string, one token is taken at a time and stored in the variable str. We will be entering the string together, but the compiler will take one token at a time. and store it in the variable str, which will be compared with the with the string the. Again, if str dot equals full stop, if it is a full stop, that means we have come to the end of the string. It will break from the while loop. If it is not so, it will continue the while loop till we get a full stop. Again, the same thing, the next second word will be stored in str, and again it will be checked after this while loop. See, second word is being stored in str, and we are ending the while loop when only when a full stop is encountered. After the while loop, we are going to print the frequency of the equals to plus c and end of main and end of the class. The same program can be done in another method. Look at this method. Read the program carefully. Class, I've taken it as frequency here. I've changed the name. Instead of FREQ, I've written frequency while compiling. Public static void main string args, we know this. Scanner sc, it is the same. Int c equals to 0. String st, system.out.println, enter a line of text ending with space and terminated by semicolon. Now we are entering the complete line of text using next line in the variable st. Okay, now I'm using a string tokenizer object here. String tokenizer is another class which we had discussed in the previous video. String tokenizer s equals to new string tokenizer, and I have initialized the string st over here. I hope this is clear. That means whatever string we are entering in the variable st will be initialized in the string tokenizer object s. I have taken another string variable s1 here. While s dot has more tokens, what will has more tokens do? It will check whether s is having any more words. If it is the first word, it will take the first word. The first word was the. So while the s dot next token, it has taken the first word and stored in the variable s1. So s1 is a variable, string variable, which will be holding one word at a time. One word means one token at a time from the string token object s. S1 dot equals the or S1 dot equals small the, and C will be incremented. If S1 dot equals is a full stop, then break. This is how the string token functions, has more tokens and next token work. After this, system.out.println, frequency of the token the equals to C. I hope this method is also clear to you. Please have a look at the output also. See, this is the output which will come when we compile and execute the program. Please do both these questions practically on the computer. Thank you, class.